What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at it with another video. Today I will be doing a quick unboxing, but the topic of discussion today is which of the Air Jordan 11s is the most iconic, or which one is the best to you. I know a lot of people have their personal opinions about the shoes. Hey, don't mind me, I know these are the lows for the cool grades, but the cool grades are definitely in there for the top, you know what I'm saying, Air Jordan 11s, man. As far as the highs, man, so y'all let me know however you want to put it. We're gonna talk about it. In my opinion, it's between the cool grade 11s, the Space Jam 11s, the Bred 11s, and the Concord 11s, man. So we're gonna talk about that. But before we get too deep into it, man, make sure you subscribe right now, man. We're less than 50 subs away from hitting that 20K. Thanks for everybody that subscribed. Thanks for everybody that's taking advantage of the Air Jordan 11 Bred giveaway. If you have not entered into the giveaway, go check out the video I dropped yesterday over the Air Jordan 11 Bred giveaway. You can be entered to win a free pair of Air Jordan 11 Breds. All you gotta do is follow the rules. Very simple, man. And right now, what I need you to do is like the video to go for every video with 200 likes. So right now, hit the like button and we're gonna get right into this video, man. Let's get it. All right, so I was scrolling, doing some online shopping. I really don't even need my knife right here to open this one. And I seen this sweater and it said Louis V. And I recently seen a video where somebody was talking about this sweater. I seen it, and I was like, I gotta get it. I done seen it too many times. I've seen it on too many videos. Not a lot of people was picking it up, but I seen people crossing and stuff like that. And I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and have to pick this thing up. So I don't do no talking. I'm just gonna show you guys what I copped. And this came from overseas, from a store called Beastin'. And here we have it. We have the sweater right here. And I got it in the black colorway. Check it out, check it out. We got a black Louis V sweater, man. I know it don't get that cold here in San Antonio, but I thought this sweater was very fuego, man. This go perfect with the shattered backboards I just dropped. Bam, check it out right there, man. This goes perfect with it. I don't know if I'm gonna rock some, you know, some light blue denim or some all black jeans. I don't know, either one would look dope to me. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Like I said, a lookbook will be coming very soon. I haven't dropped one in a couple of months, but it's coming for you guys. Stay tuned. Had a notification bell lit for your boy. And now we're gonna talk about and break down which shoe is the best, man. The first I had to pull up, man, is the cool grades. I did a video last year talking about which one's the best between the Breds and the Concords, but I had to throw in the cool grades as well. I done seen the shoe too many times. I've passed it too many times, and I have not picked it up. I actually was about to get it for like $200, very near DS. It was not a bad shoe at all. And I ended up getting the black Great 5s instead. I don't know what was wrong with my mind that day, but I definitely should have picked up the highs in these cool grade 11s. But this one right here is very dope. This released back when I was in like middle school or high school, I believe, around that borderline. And they still haven't released again. I feel like since we got the Breds this year, we got the Concords last year, and then we got the Space Jams a couple years before that, I feel like it is time for the cool grade 11s to come back next year. It only makes sense. You know, when they first released that image of, you know what I'm saying, the women's, the little sparkly Air Jordan 11, I really thought it was gonna be the Concords, but that's just me thinking that they're gonna bring these guys back very soon. You guys let me know how you feel about it. Do you think they will be bringing back the cool grade 11s next year? And do y'all think these are one of the most iconic Air Jordan 11s? And rank them between 1 through 4 for me. Cool grades, Space Jams, Concords, and Breds. Let me know right now. What is your list? Which one is the best? Which one is the worst? So I'm gonna get right to the next shoe. All right, here we have it, man. The Space Jam 11s. This is one of my first Jordans I reviewed. This is the first Jordan I reviewed on my channel. Go check it out. That's a lot of history behind this shoe for me, I guess you could say. And I thought it was dope, man. And this was like one of the first Jordan 11s that they brought back with the high cut. And I feel like I came in the sneaker community around the right time of this happening. And I think it's dope, man. I don't think it's that much of a difference for me between the look, of course, between the high cut and low cut, because it's not that much of a difference. But the people that was raised up, you know what I'm saying, the nostalgia behind it, the history behind the shoe with the higher cut patent leather, and Jordan actually playing with the higher cut patent leather, I feel like that's what persuades somebody to like the high cut over the low cut. But honestly, does it make a big difference? Not to me. I didn't grow up watching Jordan play, so I guess that's why I feel how I feel. Got the 45 stitch back there, man. Very dope shoe. I wore it like once or twice, but I doubled up on the shoes, so my double up, and I regret it. Like certain shoes like this, like the Space Jams, like if the cool grades come back, like the Bred 11s, you already know I'm doubling up on those. You gotta do it. You gotta have 2 pairs of, maybe even 3 pair, depending on how much you wear your shoes. So let's get into the next shoe real quick. All right, here we have it, man, the Bred 11. This is a 2012 pair. Like I said, we will be doing a giveaway over the 2019 version, free of charge. Shipped straight to you, whatever your size is, whatever size you want. You wanna get it for your little brother, little sister, whoever you wanna get it for. Me, Ron Got Soul, SkipGoesHard, DaRetroWizKid, and KaptainKirk will be paying for you to get a free pair of Bred 11s, man. But this right here, you can even go check on my video I dropped last year over the Concord versus Breds. I still favorite the Breds because it is a universal color, all black with the red bottom. And there was a picture floating around like the different years and stuff like that. Jordan wore this shoe and it had like the picture with the history on it. And he was laying on the ground after he won the championship. I thought that was very dope. And this shoe pretty much goes with everything. It's an all black shoe. You can't get it dirty. You can beat it up. You can do whatever you want. The only thing I wish they would have did for the new 2019 version was stitched in the 2-3, which they did. They still gave it to us like this, the 2012 version, but that's neither here nor there. Very dope shoe. For me, it's up there for me with the Air Jordan 11s. I know a lot of people feel like this is the #1 shoe, but I keep going back to my 2018 video I dropped over the Concords versus Bred 11s, and a lot of people were still favoring the Concords, which we're about to talk about right now. All right, here we have it. Here we have it. I want everybody to keep their same emotions, their same feelings, because when I dropped this video, I even went back to check out the comments, and a lot of people was favoring these Concords. I feel like they was favoring them because the shoe I just released, you know, with shoes is like on to the next one type stuff, and the Concords are just released when I dropped that video. And I feel like people were favoring these Concord 11s because of the hype in that moment, because they're releasing again with the hot cut, and people were very happy they were bringing it back. But for me, it's still not better than the Bred 11s. I want to get some old heads or OGs in the game's opinion on which one is better to you, the Concords or the Breds. If I had to rank all 4 of them, it would have to be the Bred 11s, the Concords, the Space Jam, and then the Cool Grays. But you never know, when the Cool Grays release next year or the year after that, they may be higher up on the list. I just need a high pair of Cool Gray 11s. They need to release ASAP, along with the Gamma 11s. So many 11s that I didn't cop because I didn't have the money for it back then that I need to cop now. Like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you rank all 4 of these shoes in the comment section below. I'm trying to get everybody's thoughts and opinions over this topic of discussion. I feel like it's a very dope idea. I wanted to bring it to you guys, and hopefully, like I said, a couple old heads to give me their opinions on the Breds, over the Concords, over the Space Jams, and the Cool Gray 11s. That would be very dope. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Make sure you take advantage of this Bred 11 giveaway, free of charge to you. All you gotta do is follow the simple rules. I will tag them in the description box below, or you can just go check out my Air Jordan 11 Bred giveaway video. Very simple rules. You want a free pair of shoes, man. Like I said, we are less than 50 subs away from hitting that 20K, man. Appreciate all the love and support, all the day ones, all the people that have been rocking on my channel from the beginning. I really appreciate it, man. It's so crazy, but we about to hit that 20K, all because of you guys. So with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace. Let me know which ones is the best, man. 1 through 4.